I see the animal. Oh, I see the black one. The black animal. What? Bird, I meant. What you thought I was talking about? What you thought I was talking about?
The animal?
Yeah. They don't talk human?
How old are you? Because this is a question you ask. Mas o Java first, but to big is it? Oh.
Look at the way they all stay together. You know why they stay
Like a harmony.
Why they stay so close?
They're a group? Baba, are there different types of ducks in the pond?
Yes, I see different. What kind?
Are there different?
Have a green head. The other one has the brownish.
Yeah, the one that insisted on a kick.
Oh. That's seagull, those are not.
That's a bird. I'm Pam. I love the ducky.
Now still I have to go hold the rest of the clothing.
Where?
I clean your bedsheet, you know that? I
don't feel cold. I don't have a cold anymore.
But still I had to change it, you know? Because the wine is good.
I love you on this.
And
what?
Did you wash your hair today?
Yesterday.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hair today.
Now what are they gonna do? Where are you gonna get?